you simply pay attention, just pay attention to your life, pay attention to what you're doing in life, you will find that every single thing that you do can be done better. Everything, even working. You know how many people steal at work? You know how many people steal at work without even knowing that they're stealing? I'm not talking about the people that are taking cash out of the... That's obviously, you don't need to be a genie. You don't need a shiur Torah for that. I'm talking about people who steal. Why? They go to work. The guy's paying them to work, right? Anybody here ever go to work but the guy says you don't have to work? Nobody, right? Anybody here is going to start a business, tell people, listen, I'm going to pay you not to work? No, right? So sometimes people go to work and they expect to get money. But what happens? They're supposed to work 9 to 5. They're supposed to work 9 to 5. But they figure, you know what? The boss is not paying attention. The manager just went on lunch. The colleague over here, he doesn't really care what I do. So what do? They start playing with their phone. Start going on Facebook. Start going on Facebook. Oh, wow, look what he ate for lunch. Maybe I'll have that too. Oh, look what she did this weekend. Maybe I'm going to do that also. They start playing on Facebook for an hour and a half. Then after they finish, they get bored of Facebook, they go on Twitter. They start, oh, Donald Trump just said he's going to bomb Iran. Wow, Donnie. Good job, Donnie. Hey, he's going to go for somebody else. He's playing with Twitter. After he's bored with Twitter for 15, 20 minutes, he's like, what could I do else? You know what? That guy at the Beit Knesset told me that if I could do something, if I could actually make the call for him, he's going to pay me $20. You know what? I'm going to make that call for him. It's only 5-10 minutes. My boss is on lunch. So he makes the call for his friend to do such and such for his friend at the shul. Oh, and he calls his friend. Hey, listen, I did it for you. You're going to give me $20 today. Yeah. What'd you do? You just use your boss's time that he's paying you to go work for somebody else. That's 100% stealing. 100% stealing. You have to understand, if you work for somebody a certain allotted of time, you work for them. Now sometimes certain companies don't necessarily care about every detail that you do. So for example, they're going to tell you, listen, as long as you do your job, I don't really care how you do it. As long as you do your job. So if you want to do your job while you're listening to headphones, listen to headphones. I don't really care. So if you want to listen to your headphones to shiur Torah, no problem. He doesn't care. He doesn't care that you listen to shiur Torah, as long as you get your job done. But if, as a result of you listening to even a shiur Torah that's a mitzvah, you end up not working, then guess what? That shiur Torah is not even a mitzvah anymore. That's stealing. Meaning, first, if you're working, first priority is the job. First priority is the job. If the boss allows you to do other things while you do it, no problem. But if the boss is not paying you to do the other things, and it's disturbing the job, then guess what? It's stealing. It's called gezel. So, if somebody pays attention to how they work, simply how they work, 90% of people will change their job. Why? Because the conditions that they have now versus the conditions that the guy's paying them for are two different things. Two different things. That's why, Rabotai, we have to pay attention to our actions. And if you pay attention to your actions, for sure you're going to be a fantastic human being, a fantastic neshama, with eternity of Gan Eden, of heaven. And that's what we all want. Chabad.